Hello everybody, what is up? In today's video, if you're seeing a network cable unplugged on your Windows, which means that your computer is not detecting a wired Ethernet connection, you can follow up these steps in order to fix it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing we can do is we can check the network adapter. So hit Windows plus X for that and go to Device Manager and hit Enter. Once you hit enter, your device manager appears on your screen. From here, you can expand network adapters and go ahead and find your Ethernet adapter from here. Mine is this one right here. Once you find it up, you can right click on it. And if it is disabled, you can find an option called enable here instead of disable. You just need to go ahead and click on it and that should do it. Apart from that, you can also update the driver and search automatically for that. Right click on your driver, go ahead and click on update driver. And from update driver, select the option search automatically for drivers. And once you do so, you can go ahead and update and install the latest driver for yourself or your device. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and disable and re-enable the network adapter. Hit Windows plus R for that and open up this front box. And here type in this command, which is ncpa.cpl. Just go ahead and type in that and hit OK. And once you do that, you can find your Ethernet connection that is connected. Right now I'm using Wi-Fi, but since if your Ethernet is not showing, you can right click on Ethernet and select the option for disable. And then wait a few seconds and then again right click on it and find the option of enable instead of disable and confirm it, and that should do it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can check our network adapter settings. Hit Windows plus X for that and go ahead and select the option of Device Manager and open it up. Once you're under Device Manager, select the option for Network Adapter, go ahead and find it up and then go ahead and expand it up, the network adapter, and right click on your Ethernet adapter, and from there go to Properties and go to Power Management tab, and you can just go ahead and check the option for allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So uncheck it. After that, click on OK and click on Apply, and that should do it. Apart from that, you can reset the TCP/IP stack. Hit Windows plus X and you can go to Windows Terminal Admin, this one right here, and click on yes. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and type in netsh space winsock reset. After that, hit enter and it will successfully reset the winsock catalog. Apart from that, you can type in netsh intip reset. Just go ahead and enter it up and that should do it. And the next command you can type in is ipconfig / space release and hit enter, and then type in ipconfig space / renew and hit enter, and then type in ipconfig / flush DNS for one last time / flush DNS and hit enter, and that should do it. After that is done, you can just go ahead and restart your PC and that should also do it. So for now, you can try out this method if your network cable is showing being unplugged. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.